as you can see, it's a very small pistol, and I do have it on safety. I did load up my magazine. This is CO2 BB 177 caliber, 4.5. I have crannied it, and with an Android app, Umarex claims 410 feet per second. I have gotten over 440. Okay, so here goes. As you can see, it is fairly accurate. Let's see if I can get the red can. I did, and it did ricochet. And of course, always with any BB or pellet gun, always wear safety glasses or protection over your eyes. And that's about it. I do apologize for somewhat of a messy backyard. But I will be, every couple of days, I will be reviewing a new BB or pellet pistol or rifle. And I will try to give my honest opinion. I believe I purchased this for about $26 at Walmart. And like I said, it is CO2. And according to some websites, I believe you can get up to 200 shots per CO2. I think they call them like powerlet or CO2 cartridge. Thank you. Please subscribe, comment, even bad comments. I can take criticism, and if I mumble or whatever, comment anyway. Please like and subscribe.